YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Crypto J coming at you guys with yet another J Talks Crypto. You're brand new to the channel, hit the subscribe button, the bell notification. I do my best each and every day to give you guys the topics in cryptocurrency. And guys, I'm on a mission to hit 100,000 subscribers. Can't do it without you. Hit that subscribe button, that bell notification. It all helps me out. But before we get into this video too, we're going to talk about some Bitcoin. We're going to talk about some Ethereum, some market sentiment today. But I just got to let you guys know too, I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. You got to go out and do your research on all this stuff that we talk about. As you guys can see, market cap coming in at a 2.69. Fear Greed Index coming in at a 32. And Bitcoin looking volatile today. This is exactly what we were a little bit concerned about playing out right now on Bitcoin. The fact that we've been creating a rising wedge, right? I was saying, are we creating a wedge here? Are we going to start seeing this thing start to break down soon? And sure enough, you know, we hit that 85.5, which again, I was telling you guys, this is a key resistance level. And look, shoulder, head, shoulder here, and a rejection down to the bottom. What is going on with Bitcoin? Is Bitcoin making a recovery or is it not, right? Let's check it out. Let's pull out some of these, pull up some of these Keltner channels here and just kind of see what's going on. As you guys could see, we're looking a little bit positive on the 1 day. Still not out of the woods, right? Still need to see more of a breakout. We really need to get above the 88 level. We gotta hit 89 for this to be a confirmed breakout, in my opinion. You could kind of see it right here, that 89.7. That's what I'm paying attention to. That is a zone that I'm saying would probably be looking like a break. Right now, it's just looking volatile. And again, we've seen what happened last time this rising wedge played out. I just want to know, is it going to happen again? Or, you know, like what is going on here? Is Bitcoin rejecting? Are we seeing a rejection? Is Bitcoin going to start breaking up here? I mean, we're still in an uptrend, right? We cannot rule out the fact that we are seeing some decent price action during this weekend, even though, again, it's looking volatile. Volatility is totally normal to see on the weekend. And I would actually be pretty surprised if we didn't see volatility on the weekend. But that being said, are we breaking down, or are we going to see some more price action on Bitcoin? I guess the market is just a little bit undecided. You guys could see our 1 week chart looking like a little bit of patience might pay off, but also looking like we're butting up against a key zone of resistance. In my opinion, this is a pivotal time for Bitcoin. Today, this next week, guys, it's pretty much going to tell us how our May is going to look, right? So if we break down, then probably May's not going to look so hot. But if we break up above this, I do think May will be pretty sweet. Let's see how the rest of the market is kind of feeling about it. As a matter of fact, let's see what the sentiment is in the market, right? Over here on Bitcoin, as you guys can see, these guys always got something to say over here on CoinMarketCap. Let's see what they're saying today. Americans are silly. Keep on bringing the Bitcoin down. We might keep on bringing the Bitcoin down. We'll see. The full Bitcoin zone path to 500K. Be ready. I don't know about 500,000. That's a little bit crazy. You got to pay attention to the market cap and kind of where we're at and what $500,000 Bitcoin would mean in market cap. I do think that that's something that will happen one day. I just don't think that it's going to be this cycle. Definitely not. Could almost pretty much, I'd bet a lot of money on that. But somebody says third time getting rejected at 85.5. That is a very good point, right? Third time getting rejected, right? Shoulder, head, shoulder. That's a bearish trend. And then now look, we're creating kind of like a bear flag here on a Saturday, right? And we talk about the fact that, again, we sometimes see sell off on the weekend. I'm wondering if this was a clear rejection and if we are now going to start seeing some more dip in the market. I do think that we're probably going to feel this ripple effect through the rest of the market. As you guys could see, the entire market cap just kind of falling off of a cliff right now, right? With Bitcoin seeing this volatility, but you know, can we rebound from this, right? Some of these coins not looking too bad. They're not looking too bad. Not too much blood in the market, right? Some of these coins even coming in pretty decent. As a matter of fact, it almost seems like Bitcoin is losing some dominance because these rest of these coins are pushing, right? Interesting. Are we watching Bitcoin decrease in dominance right now? And let's see what Bitcoin dominance is looking like right now. Right? Okay, so Bitcoin dominance is actually up right now. It's up 2.31. Interesting. Okay. So if Bitcoin does decide it wants to correct, it's going to have likely going to have some dominance over the market. Maybe we're just not feeling the ripple effects. Maybe they're just slowly setting into the market. As you guys could see, things slowly starting to look speculative in the market. We're retesting some key zones here, guys. Some people, again, wondering, did we just reject off this 85.5? We talked about how important this 85.5 zone is. And again, we are retesting some lower levels. Did we bounce off of that third Keltner channel? Did we break below it? That's what I want to know. If we broke below that third Keltner channel, then I'm thinking that this is going to be a slippery slope. Look at this 1 hour in the past, really, couple hours. Not really. We're not really too broken down on anything here. I mean, that's kind of why the price is sitting where it's at, right? We're in limbo for sure. We could possibly definitely see a retest. Or again, maybe we'll go up and see if we could retest again this 85 level. It would be crazy to break out this 85 level. And even to see another retest actually would be really crazy from here. And it would just show exactly how manipulated this market is, guys. This market is crazy manipulated. It wouldn't be the first time we would have created like some kind of wedge, broke down, and then seen a run up. We watched it happen right here. We created a wedge. We did the same thing, right? Seen this rejection zone, drop down, and then we just same thing, shoulder, head, shoulder, 3 rejections, right? Drop down, and then, you know, like, what is going on? Overall, we're still creating higher lows. But again, look at Bitcoin, man, just looking so funky. Looking so funky. I want to know what you guys think. Are you bullish on this? Are you bearish on this? Did talk about my price predictions kind of for Ethereum too. I do think that if Bitcoin needs to correct, I did give a price prediction of what I think Ethereum is going to be at. But again, look at Ethereum. Like, what is going on with Ethereum? If Bitcoin is increasing in dominance, why is Ethereum printing right now? I really kind of don't get it. Let's see what's going on in the rest of the market. Is it just because, like, look at XRP, right? XRP not printing that much, right? Kind of creating a bear flag alongside Bitcoin, as a matter of fact. But Ethereum printing, like, what? Let's see what's going on with Solana. Solana printing? Not really, right? It pumped a little bit earlier today, but it's, again, starting to form a bull flag or bear flag. Ethereum, though, looking solid. I'm shocked. I'm shocked at this. Ethereum actually looking like a breakout on the one possibly is possible. Again, maybe that'll depend on the strength of Bitcoin, or maybe not. Because again, ETH looking like it's doing its own thing right now. Pretty interesting. Interesting. I want to know what you guys think about Ethereum. Are you bullish on Ethereum? Are you bearish on Ethereum? You guys can see over the past year, it has just been bear flag after bear flag. We're down 47%. But are we near a bottom? I predicted $1,200 to $1,100 Ethereum, but again, maybe we could start seeing recovery. Are we creating a bear flag here? What do you think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you guys are not yet tapped into the Patreon, join us over on Patreon. I have a Patreon and we talk about all this kind of stuff. If you're interested in learning how to trade, if you're interested in learning how to buy some of this stuff, it's a great resource for you guys, as well as you could just get a lot of information about meme coins and stuff like that, how to buy things before they hit the market, right? We do that a lot here. But I just want you guys to know that the stuff in my channel, guys, is not financial advice. That group is not for financial advice. It's really just to help you guys get the hang of cryptocurrency and to kind of understand how the market kind of moves. But at the same time, guys, no way, shape, or form is this financial advice. As a matter of fact, I would say do not buy anything that you see in any of these videos, just for entertainment with a little bit of education. But yeah, if you guys appreciate the content, I appreciate the subscribe and the likes and the comments, guys, because they do help me in the algorithm. I'm trying to make it to Colombia. That's the goal, guys. We're trying to move on down to Colombia, and I can't do that without the support. So appreciate all you guys, and yeah, I'll catch you next video. Peace.